Hello design lovers, want to change the color of your text in Adobe Express? Let me show you how. Open Adobe Express and select the project you are working on. Click on the text box you want to edit. On the right toolbar, you will see a color picker option for your text. Click on it and a palette will appear. You can either choose a preset color or enter a specific hex code for an exact match. Adjust the opacity or shade if you need to fine-tune the text color for better contrast or design consistency. Make sure your text color stands out against your background for easy readability. Use contrasting colors or even gradients for unique effect. If the text isn't showing clearly, try choosing a lighter or darker color based on your background to ensure the text pops. What's your favorite text color for designs? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.